Hey, welcome back. So I'm going to switch from paper air filter to the TRD oil filter. So those are the thickness side by side. You can tell that's the original TRD. It's imprinted with a part number, and let's compare the thickness. So this is much thinner than the original paper filter. So I think that's why there's a lot more airflow. And I just recharged or re-oiled the filter. And it's been dry, so I'm gonna pop it in. So when I go to off-roading, I always switch from this to the paper. So then I can just shake this out, or I can just replace this, because this is much cheaper. I think it's about $30 to $40 compared to this is about $100. But I mean, I don't want any dirt, like unnecessary dirt, going to the oil filter. So anyway, so I took this out now. So that's that. Okay. So basically, you just pop it in this way, and the outside air comes from the bottom, and then the clean air goes to the top in this box, and then it goes in through there. Okay. So you just open this up, and you just pop this in. Okay. I'll be back. And also, I wanted to show you. So after the filter goes in, so that's the bottom. So the air goes in through the sidewall. So that's why it's cold air intake system. So then basically dirt and whatever leaf will collect here. But the thing is, you know, some people are afraid of this red oil getting into the sensor and it goes into the engine. You don't have to worry about that, because I just wanted to show you this part. So this is a built-in mesh, okay? That you cannot take this out. Okay, it's built in. And that's where the clean air comes through, okay? So all the oil, if it comes through, it will be hitting this, and only the air will come through. So you have a secondary filter here, so you don't have to worry about anything coming through. And this basically is the indicator, so tells me when to change the filter. So it is functioning. It was lower a little bit until, before I reset it. So I pushed it and I reset it. Okay, so I just wanted to show you that. I'll be back.